Hello everyone, many of us wanted to know how to install Bijoy Byanno keyboard on your Windows PC. So I am here. I am not a fan of Bijoy keyboard, but in our university, in government offices, they mostly use Bijoy keyboard. So I have to demonstrate this. So if you want to install Bijoy Byanno keyboard in your Windows PC, there is a few less resources to download it, so I came with a reliable source to download and install it. At first you have to go to your browser, then type the web address. This is bijoybanno.en.download.it/download. I will provide the link in the description as well. Go to that website and click the start download button. You can see here the start download button. Then a pop-up will start to ask you to start download. If not, there will be a download section here. I am downloading this. My download file is complete. It's a small file about 4.8 megabyte. I am opening this folder. Sorry, I am go to my file manager where I downloaded it. Downloads, then compressed Bijoy Byanno 2.rr. Because I downloaded the two files, I delete this file, then I will show this. And you have to extract the file because it's a zip file, which extension is .rar. To unzip this file, you must have Winner software in your PC. Winner. If you do not have, you can go to your browser as well and type Winner download and go to the download menu. Then we'll get a lots of links to download, but you have to click this blue button to download it. After downloading, you can extract this file. Right click on it and then click on extract here. Then it will extract right here. Where it go? Yeah, I got it. Here is Bijoy Byanno. So here is total 4 files. One is key.txt, which is the key we will use to activate the software, and one MSI version of the software, and one exe version of the software, and a icon. We will click on exe, double click on it, then click next, agree, and next, again next. Press yes. It will take some time. We will wait. Okay, the software installed successfully. Then go to your start menu and type Bijoy. Then you can see this app here. Left click on it and it's asking for a activation code, and this code is here, key.txt. Just scroll through down, then copy this code, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and there is 4 section. Copying each of this to my, sorry, there is 5 section. Okay, we got it, and click on activate button. Then this software is activated, and close all the files. Now you can see Bijoy Byanno is running here. We will test the software here, At first I will select the font Shutoni MJ, Shutoni MJ, and I will click Bijoy Classic and try to type. You can see the Bengali. You can see we can type Bangla. So that's for now, and if you have any question or problem, please let me know in the comment section. Please, tada.